In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Ads Editor how to use. If you manage lots of campaigns or make frequent edits, this desktop tool can save you a ton of time by letting you work in bulk and even offline, then sync your changes when you're ready. First, download and install the latest version from the official Google Ads Editor page for your operating system. Run the installer, open the app, and sign in with the Google account that has access to your Google Ads. On your first launch, the app will prompt you to download your account data. Go ahead and download your campaign so you can work locally. This creates a safe workspace where you can make as many changes as you want before pushing anything live. If your account is large, you don't have to pull everything. You can select specific campaigns to speed up the initial download and future syncs. This is especially helpful when you're focused on a single brand, market, or objective and want faster performance. Let's get oriented. On the left, the account tree shows your accounts and campaigns. Below that, the type list lets you jump between views, like campaigns, ad groups, ads, keywords, and more. On the right, the editing panel displays the details for whatever you've selected. Click a campaign or ad group in the tree, choose the entity type from the type list, and then adjust fields in the editing panel, things like budgets, bids, statuses, targeting, and ad copy. Use search and filters at the top to quickly find items, and remember you can multi-select to edit several items at once. When you need to make bulk updates, click Make Multiple Changes. You can paste from a spreadsheet or import a CSV, then map your columns to the correct fields. This is perfect for creating many ad groups, adding keywords, or updating bids in one go. For quick mass edits across existing items, use Replace Text to update things like final URLs, UTMs, or repeated phrases across thousands of ads at the same time. Always review the preview so you don't unintentionally change the wrong text. Before anything goes live, click Check Changes. This runs a validation to catch errors like missing required fields, invalid URLs, or policy issues. Fix any flagged items directly in the editor until everything passes. When you're satisfied, click Post to upload your updates to your online Google Ads account. Confirm the scope of what you're posting and let the sync finish. After posting, download recent changes to keep your local copy fully aligned with what's live. And that's it. Fast, precise, and controlled campaign management with Google Ads Editor.